Hello everyone and welcome back. So far we have seen the Playwright MCP server drive a browser and we have wired it into VS Code. That is exploration, but exploration that vanishes when you close the chat is not software testing. In this lecture we cross that line. We describe a flow in plain English and then we let the assistant explore it live and turn it into a saved test file that passes when we run it. By the end of this lecture, you will have a real spec.ts in your project that you never hand wrote. We are going to start the way that a tester thinks, with the scenario, not with the code. So let us give the assistant something concrete. The prompt reads, on the demo site base URL products page, add a wireless keyboard and an ergonomic mouse to the cart and verify the cart total updates to match. Use Playwright MCP. I'm going to start the prompt. I will allow Playwright browser navigate and the browser page has been opened with the products page. It is asking for permission. I will click yes for all. So now the MCP is performing operations on the page. You see. Now let us turn these steps into a test. I will tell Cloud Code to save the flow as a Playwright test at tests/cart.spec.ts and I will hit enter. You can see that the Cloud Code has written some code and it has run the test in Chromium already. And in the end it has saved the flow in the cart.spec.ts file. Let me open this file. I will close the chat for now. First of all, there is this test label. Add wireless keyboard and ergonomic mouse to cart and verify total. And from here, all of the selectors were picked automatically by Playwright MCP and you can see it is using get by role. Alright, so now let us go ahead and run this newly generated test so you can see. Alright, so we can see that the test was run and it was passed. Let me close this window. So now you can see that this is not some strange AI style. So the point here is that AI did not write code in some strange style. It used the same Playwright that you already know, which means that you can maintain it like any other test. The value is not in the conversation. The value is in the durable file, the spec.ts file it produced. Something that lives in your repository, it gets reviewed and it guards the flow on every commit for you. So let us recap. First of all, we started with the scenario in plain English. Then we allowed the assistant to explore the flow live using Playwright MCP. Then we saved the test as a standard.spec.ts and then we ran it using npx playwright test or the test explorer. So we now have the Playwright MCP producing real runnable tests, but you drove every step of it by hand and you know everything about it, that how it is working. In the next lecture we meet 3 agents which Playwright ships to automate exactly this loop. The planner, generator and the healer agents. So see you in the next one.